Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. My name is Jeanette and I am doing the IPSY November 2020 Glam Bag Ultimate unboxing for you guys. And also ignore the mess that is my bed behind me, just act like it's not even there. I make videos like this every single month, so if you like these videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel, press that red bell down below, turn on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Like this video if you end up liking it, comment down below what other videos you would like to see. And with that being said, I have 12 products here to show you guys, and they seem like they're really good products this month. And they also gave a little pamphlet to show everything that you got, and they have prices on most items. So I'm just gonna start with the first thing I see. I see this mini ice cream flavored wash off mask set right here. So it has 3 mini face masks and the value of it is $20. And they come in really cute containers like this, and they are very like squishy. So it says, give your skin a sweet treat. This set includes 3 ice cream inspired masks in travel friendly sizes. Cake My Day will give you an instant burst of hydration. Berry Groove is packed with exfoliators and antioxidants to brighten, and Matcha Mood will soothe and nourish. Apply a generous layer to clean skin, leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Use these masks 2 to 3 times a week for a glowing complexion. So that looks very exciting to me. Can't wait to give it a go. Next I have Laboratories Filgora Optim Eyes, a 3-in-1 eye contour cream, dark circles for puffiness and for fine lines. So it comes in a container like this. You squeeze it for it to come up. This is literally all you need, 1 pump. And there's no fragrance in here, and you just put it underneath your eyes. It is very like watery. It's kind of just dissolving right into my skin here, which is like, and it feels really like cold and soothing. So I'm definitely excited to give this a go and put it on my eyes. And that retails for $49. So already with just these 2 products were more than what I already spent for this entire box. So next I have the H2O Hydration Oasis Refreshing Moisturizing. It is a deluxe sample, and it doesn't say how much it is, but it just says to use gently, massage onto face and neck. And don't use your teeth to take the thing off like I just did, because it doesn't taste very good. Ugh. I should have known not to do that, but I was like, I don't care, I'm gonna do it anyways. But other than that, it's like, it literally feels like water, which is nice for just for your skin to eat it up and be all nice and moisturized. Next they have this eyeliner. So this is the eyeliner right here. I'm gonna swatch it. It's very black and creamy, and then at the end there is a thing to smudge it out, so I'm gonna smudge it out really quick. And honestly, when you smudge it out, it kind of just looks like a cheap eyeliner, but I'm gonna have to try it out to see what I really think about it. But first impressions, there are definitely better eyeliners out there. Next I have this pomegranate facial serum from the Cottage Greenhouse, and it is 2 ounces, and it says exceptionally deep penetrating pomegranate oil improves the appearance of mature sun damaged skin, hydrates, restores, and softens. To use, apply once or twice daily to face and neck. No parabens and 100% natural, never animal tested. So you only need like 1 to 5 drops of a serum. It smells really good. Rubbing it out here. And like, if this one, it seems like a little bit is gonna go a long way, but it does feel very oily. I'm not saying there's oils in it, because I don't know, but it just the feeling of it, it feels very oily. So if that's not something that you like in a skincare serum, this probably isn't the serum for you. Facial serum retailed for $32. So next we have this foundation brush by the brand Nothing is Impossible, and it retails for $20. I have a lot of flat top foundation brushes like this, and I don't really use them. I prefer like a buffer foundation brush, so I'm probably gonna pass this along to someone else. But I will say it is very, very, very soft, like a big cushiony pillow. Next, I have this Sea Berry hair mask. It says again, it's a deluxe sample, so it doesn't say how much it is, but it just says distribute evenly from scalp to ends, wait 5 minutes, rinse, and to use daily. So I will definitely try this out once I don't have hair extensions in anymore, because like I feel like it wouldn't be a true testing. Next, I have the Milk Makeup Matcha Detoxifying Face Mask. I've actually never used any Milk makeup products, and it retails for $26. It is just a stick like this. So it says, for acne prone skin, rejoice. This matcha infused face mask stick is exactly what your complexion needs. It purifies pores, balances oil production, and helps reduce dryness and redness too. And instead of applying this mask all over, try using it as a spot treatment to target clogged pores and uneven texture. So I have lots of face masks to try out now, and I'm very excited. But the next product I have here is this another Milk makeup product, Kush Lip Glaze. So it says shine, check, hydration, check, zero stickiness, check. This baby hits all the right boxes when it comes to our ideal lip gloss, thanks to the hemp-dried cannabis seed oil and plant butters, which moisturize and soothe lips while coating them with a juicy sheen. And it goes on clear. Apply a thick layer of this glaze before bed and let the moisturizing and soothing ingredients work their magic while you sleep. You'll wake up with baby soft lips come morning. So that is really exciting. It has a little applicator like this. So when it comes out, it shows up green, but they did say it applies clear. So I'm just going to put that on my finger here and put it over my lipstick, which is not the way it's intended to use, but it makes my lipstick look shiny, and I love the way it smells. And I kind of like just feel it soaking into my lips, and I'm very excited. And it retails for $18. Next, I have this red MAC lipstick. Red lipstick is my favorite colored lipstick. I just love the color red. So I'm just gonna swatch a little bit on my hand, and that is like 5 back and forth. It is very sheer. If you just do like one little swipe, it shows up kind of pinkish. So that's definitely, it's very sheer. If you want a deep red in one swipe, this isn't the lipstick for you. But if you're okay with building up a lipstick to be a darker red, then I would say definitely check this out. It is in the shade Sweet Sakura, and it retails for $19. Next, I have this Milani Make It Last Matte Finishing Spray. It is a deluxe sample, so it doesn't say how much it retails for. And next, I wanted to save the best for last, because I got an eyeshadow palette this month. It is the Nomad Tuscany Intense Eyeshadow Palette. It is a 9-pan palette, and it is pretty big, like it's almost the size of my face. So it's definitely my type of colors. I love that reddish color. So I'm gonna swatch a few shades for you right now, and I love like the imprints of the actual palette. So this first shade I'm gonna swatch for you, Apervito. Next, the red color I mentioned before is the shade Vino Noble. Then I'm gonna swatch this like shimmer shade underneath it, the shade Passeggiata. this one right here. And then I'm gonna swatch the middle shade, La Bella Vita. This is the Swatches. I think it's beautiful, honestly. So again, I'm gonna let you guys have one more look at this beautiful palette. And this retails for $27. I can't wait to play with this. And I almost forgot, this is the beautiful fall styled bag that it came with for the month of November. And if you guys like this makeup look, I don't think I mentioned it in the beginning of this video, but I have a makeup tutorial that will probably be up right after this video. Stay tuned for that video. And that is everything. I have a mess on my vanity right now because I have to put everything away and I gotta test out these products, and I'm very excited. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if we got anything similar, or if you like anything that I got, and if you want reviews and anything. If you want like a November or like fall favorites video, definitely comment that down below, because I do get a lot of products sent to me in these IPSY boxes and it's like a lot to try out. So if you guys want to see my hits and misses of like fall or just monthly favorites videos, comment down below and I'll do that for you guys. And all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I upload every Monday and Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I hope to see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!